हाँ Tanhay ang Pabitay, but there's also places that celebrated the same thing. It's like Señor Santo Niño, but this is a yearly traditional here in Tanhay City. So welcome to Pabitay.
And closely following our dancers for the Halad Sayals.
All right, let's give a round of applause to our city officials, headed by our active and supportive City Mayor, Honorable Jose Pepe T. Orlino.
And we'd also like to welcome everyone and to all our brothers and to our media, men and women. Thank you for being here.
Children's Festival 2025. All right, Viva Pitsenyor and Viva Senyor.
Panalipdan kita sa mga katalagman sa atong tagsa-tagsa kabato nga ato pud kining pagkahinumduman ug sundon sa kada usa kanato isip kahiusa nga tanhayanon.
Captains, all of po inubanan sa mga akad. He will bless all our plans. Magpadayon ang atua nga pagsaulo.
May the spirit of the Holy Child continue to inspire us to nurture kindness.
in Tanhai. It was fun and crowded. Hello. And I'm gonna go home because it's already done. And the kids are here. They don't have school today. It's honestly a good experience for me since I lived here in Tanhai, and feels good to attend for the first time after a long time that I've been working overseas and I was not able to come here. It was crowded, fun, and it's everything all packed together.